A cheerful and warm welcome to all of you in this online maths lesson for 4th class. We are already doing chapter 8, perimeter and area from your book. Today from page 184, we will learn how to find the difference between area and perimeter of a figure. Students, you have already learnt how to find out the area and perimeter of a figure. In today's class, we will learn the difference between area and perimeter. Look here. In a class, the teacher told the students to stand along the four sides of a square drawn on a floor. They stood in this manner. Do you know, kids? The total length of four sides of a 2D figure is called the perimeter of that figure. Then the teacher gave another command. She told them to stand on the surface of the square. They stood in this way. Now the surface where they are standing is the area of that figure. Students, the length of the four sides along which the students were standing shows the perimeter of the square, and the surface of the square on which the students were standing shows the area of the square. Look at this field, kids. The fence or the wire along all the sides of the field shows its perimeter. Yes, this is the perimeter of the field. And that part of the field where the crop is grown is called its area. Yes, the area is the surface on which the crop is grown in that field. This is the area of the field. It's clear now. To find the length of the wire, which can fence it all around, we have to find the perimeter of the field. Where would the crop be grown in a field? Yes, on its surface. Then we will find the area of the field to find the space covered by the crops. Here I have some squares with me. These are colored. Length of side of each square is 1 unit. What will be the area covered by the square of 1 unit? Yes, the area of this square is 1 square unit. Let's understand how to place these squares on this book if we have to find out the perimeter of this book. We will put these squares along the sides of the rectangular book in this way. What will we count now, kids? We will count the number of squares along the sides of the book. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 squares are there, so the breadth of the book is 5 units. Now we will count the squares to find the length of this book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the length of this book is 7 units. Now we have learned that the perimeter of a closed figure is the sum of all its sides. So what will be the perimeter of the book? Yes, it will be 24 units. Now to find the area of the book, we will cover the upper surface of the book with these square pieces. Yes, we will place them on the surface. Here it is. Now let's count the number of pieces put on the surface. Yes, we have found that the area of this book is 35 square units and the perimeter of this book is 24 units. Both perimeter and area are different. Now it is clear, kids. Perimeter is the total distance around a 2D shape. To find the perimeter of this rectangle, we will add the length and breadth of this rectangle. To calculate the perimeter of this rectangle, let's find out the total distance around this rectangle. This black outline, which we can see now, is actually the perimeter of this rectangle. Yes, it is the perimeter of this rectangle, whereas area is the surface or the space covered by a closed figure. To find the area of a closed figure, we will color it. Yes, the colored part which is visible is its area. To find the area of a rectangle, we multiply its length and breadth. Kids, this is today's question now. What does the colored enclosed part of this figure show? Here we have 4 options. We have to choose one right option and put a tick across it. Option A is perimeter of the figure, option B is area of the figure, option C is both area and perimeter, and option D is none of these. We know that the distance around a closed figure is its perimeter and area is the surface covered by the closed figure. So, option B, area, is the correct option here. We have found the right option. Option B is the right one, and we will put a tick mark at option B, that is area. Now it's homework time, kids. You have to draw some figures and color the area and perimeter of those figures at your home. Stay tuned to your online studies. Take care of your health. Thanks.